World Humanitarian Day is observed each year on August 19th to pay tribute to humanitarian workers killed and injured in the course of their work and to compliment all aid and health workers who continue to provide life-saving support and protection to people most in need, despite the odds. World Humanitarian Day was designated in memory of the bomb attack on the Canal Hotel in Baghdad, Iraq, on August 19, 2003, killing 22 people, including the chief humanitarian in Iraq, Sergio Vieira de Mello. In 2009, the United Nations General Assembly honored the day as World Humanitarian Day. Every year, WHD spotlights on a theme, bringing partners across the humanitarian system together to support the survival, well-being, and nobility of people affected by catastrophes, and for the safety and security of aid workers. This year, World Humanitarian Day draws attention to the urgent human cost of the climate crisis by compelling world leaders to take profound action for the world's most vulnerable people, those who have contributed least to the global climate emergency yet, but are hit the hardest, and loads of other people that are by now losing their homes, their livelihoods, and their lives. Time is already running out. Play your part and stand in unity with the world's most vulnerable people by using #TheHumanRace and #World Humanitarian Day in your social media activities.